What you doing? Hey, buddy. What are you doing down here? Huh? What's you doing down here? Be careful. You're shaking Mama's chair? Oh, now you're going to turn Mommy's computer off. Silly baby. Say hi, Daddy. Hi, Daddy. Just working on Mommy's computer for her while you're gone. Yeah.